Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fat Cat, of course, bringing you another one, man. You see Christine back here looking all nice and sexy. As sexy as she can be, anyway. You got my dude Concrete 392 over there with the little baby. Yeah, man, it's raining. What's that?
So you know we got the little ones out today.
Yeah, man, family affair.
Yes,
You want to say hi? Yeah, man, so we out here, it's raining, man. So we came all the way out to Miami. Well, not really Miami, kind of, but close to Miami. We in Dania Beach, I think it's called, but it's pretty much close to Miami. Yeah, man, so we came out here and we're supposed to be doing a photo shoot with a dope photographer is out here. I don't know if that's gonna happen because it is raining. You can't tell, as always, man, we're always raining out here. So it's raining, man, and then we're supposed to be going to a show as well. I think the show is Rain or Shine, so I think it's indoors, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so we're gonna stop by real quick. We're gonna get something to eat. Here goes all of his family right here. Everybody wanna say hi? No? No? Hi? Good, man, so we about to go inside and eat, man. My wife is already in there with my kids. They ran inside real quick, so yeah. We're about to break bread real quick, man, at this place called what is this? Little Red? Little Red Barbecue, man. It's like a 4.3 or 4.4 star on the internet, man. So we'll see if it's really good. Alright, man, so we just finished eating, man. I got a wife back there, man. We just finished eating all this food we just devoured, man, all back there. So now, man, we just linked up with K Fletch Photography, man. I'm gonna put him on camera to introduce you guys as well. Oh, look at that! Look at that good food coming out right there. That was our waitress. You want to say bye? You want to say hi to anybody first?
Hi.
This is YouTube, by the way.
Oh, you guys have a channel on YouTube?
We do.
2 channels.
So you need to go. Yeah. Well, I have a channel. He has a channel. So you need to make sure you go follow it. Mine is
Instagram.
You want to shout out your Instagram?
Huh?
You want to shout out your Instagram?
Sure. Add me at Mel Salazar. No, it's Melicha. MELICHAAAA.
Oh, well, say that one more time and say it a little bit louder.
It's MELICHAAA.
There you go, man. So Mel Salazar, go check her out, man. And she's gonna follow the YouTube channel and also IG as well, right?
Thank you. Have a great night.
Anyway, man, so we're about to go outside now, man, and go do some of this photography. Then we're gonna hit up that meet later on and all that good stuff, man. So see you guys in a bit. All right, man. So we have. Go and introduce yourself to everybody, man.
What's up, everybody? I'm on Fat Cat's YouTube channel.
You
My
are?
name's Kyle Fletcher, also known, I guess, as K Fletch Photography. I take pictures of cars. I take rolling shots of cars.
He's being very, very, very
Try not to be too egotistical.
He's being very, very, very modest, man. Make sure you guys go. First of all, give him the IG.
K Fletch Photography. Let's see if you're editing. Right here.
Oh,
on the
there you go.
hand.
Okay.
Right there,
No,
right down there.
man, he just. Now I gotta go edit this video better. But yeah, for K Fletch Photography, man, go check him out. I am gonna put him on the bottom of the screen right there.
Bottom of the screen.
There you go. It's gonna be on the bottom of the screen, man. This dude takes phenomenal pictures.
We're about to go have some fun.
So we're about to go have some fun right now. I hit him up, or we hit him up, me and Paul, Concrete 392. As we were coming down to Miami, we were like, hey, let's try to kill 3 birds in 1 stone, basically. And we hit him up. He was like, hey, can we do this session real quick? So that's what we're about to go do. Even though it's raining, he said he can still make it do. He said it's gonna come out good. Christina over there looking nice. He drives a Charger as well, man. So hey, best of all worlds, right? So you can't get any better than that, man. He has a scat pack himself on bags, by the way.
Yes.
Even though he says he never airs it out, but he does have it on bags. But like I said, man, so we're gonna film the whole session and everything else, man. You guys know, like I said, K Fletcher Photography, man. Go check him on the IG. Got dope pictures, and then my pictures will make it to his page too.
Yeah.
There you go, man. There you go. There you go. All right, man. So we're gonna go have some fun right now. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, man. So K Fletch wants to know what these cars sound like when they're straight pipe and catless, man, because he wants to do it to his. So we're gonna show him how it sounds right now. Let's see his reaction to it. Remember, this is not a cold start. It is a warm start, because we just drove all the way over here like 3 hours. But here you go.
Take my money. Take my money.
So there you go, man.
Wow.
So you see, it does sound a little bit different.
Yeah, it does.
It sounds a little bit different, but it's almost
I think
the
it
same.
sounds a little bit deeper.
A little bit, maybe. Let me see if I rev it a little bit. Rev it up and see how he likes it. So, I will tell you this though, man. My car, going down the road, it's like popcorn, bro.
Yeah.
Pop, 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 pop. It does it more when you're driving than when you're revving it. But when I'm driving, like at 40, 50 miles per hour, and if I let go of the gas, pop, 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 pop. It's crazy, man. It sounds good. So there you guys go, man. We said it was bagged and he never airs it out, but there goes the proof. It is bagged.
Dude, I don't believe it.
Yeah, man. Looks dope, man. I need to get some bags on my car, because I'm telling you, man, this is the Florida culture, man. Florida culture, every single, like, you got to be on bags, basically, here in Florida, man. Doesn't matter what kind of car it is. Super dope. All right, man, so he's getting all this stuff together right now, man, and then we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna head out to the highway and do some rollers, man. Stay tuned. enjoyed that, man. K Fletch Photography. Make sure you guys go check him out, man. We're on our way over to the show right now. He got some dope pictures. She's a believer now, man, because I told her when we were coming down, I said, oh, we're gonna do a photo shoot. She was like, ah. And she seen his page and seen the way he was doing it. She was like, he's good.
He's a pro.
He's good, man. So anyway, man, so make sure you go check him out, man. Good dude. Very humble on top of that, as you guys seen. If you see why I'm wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at the GPS. But anyway, man, very humble, man. Very cool dude. Got a charger, so you can't beat that. And aired out on top of that. But yeah, man, so he got some good photos of me at Concrete 392. Make sure you guys go check him out. Of course, I'm gonna be on my IG. Check out Concrete 392's IG. And then also make sure you guys check out K Fletch Photography as well, man. Super dope, man. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, man. We're heading out to the show. Of course, there's gonna be a whole separate video from everything that's going on over there. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, man. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. You guys know I'm your boy Fat Cat, man. Got a lot of things coming up. Got more things coming up, and more mods and everything else, as you guys know. I gotta go back and finish up the lights, and got some other stuff coming, man. Just stay tuned. Anyway, other than that, man, that's it. A training on the way to the show. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. From me, my wife, Noah back there, and Gianni. No, it's funny, man. We appreciate you guys for watching the video, man. We'll see you guys on the next one. Later.